Today, we're going to be talking about my top 5 reasons to become a minimalist. Number 1 reason is freedom. Finding out what you really need to live a quality life without the extras really makes you find out what's important to you in your life. Removing these excess things is like growing up for your life. It's kind of like a child removing their security blanket or removing the training wheels. You find out that you can actually get by with more freedom once you remove these things that are keeping you safe and getting rid of especially those items that are just in case. These things are a false sense of security that don't actually make your life better. Minimalism can teach you and help you become more secure with yourself and confident to know that even once you let go of all of these things you think you need, you find out what's important and that you will be fine no matter what happens. Number 2, time. Clutter is chaos, and chaos makes life hard. And we've all heard the phrase, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And as far as this phrase in minimalism conversation, it couldn't be more true. Not wasting time picking up things and moving them around and shuffling things from here to there really frees up time when you're just cleaning, just general like looking for something. Knowing what's important helps you just grab the essentials. Generally, your life will become more streamlined and you will have more time for things that are more important. And it's not the things. Things are just not important for your life. It's usually people, it's memories, it's moments, all that business. And these things really are just holding you back almost all the time. 3, money. A penny saved is a penny earned. And it's really easy to see how things can add up. Once you start not buying these things that are on impulse or just excitement or for hobby, you'll realize how much money you're really saving. You'll also notice that, let's say you don't buy 10 cheap shirts and jackets and pants or whatever. Then you want to have a nice jacket and you spend, say, 3 times the normal amount on a jacket. You get a really nice jacket. You're still going to have spent less than the total when you're just spending just casually. Impulse buys speak for so much of people's wallets. And once you eliminate that, you have the freedom to buy really nice things and cherish the things that you do own because they are so well selected and cared for, and since you don't have a lot of it, you really get to be grateful for it. It just really focuses down into quality, and the things that you own are of the highest, most quality. There are exceptions, of course, but it's that spontaneous purchases that really can add up, and minimalism really helps you see things for what they're worth and helps you pinch that penny. 4, health. I've said it before, but minimalists know it's important. They know that health is one of the biggest contributors to a good life. And instead of wasting 30 minutes, like say doing makeup or shopping or picking out your clothes or cleaning, all of these things that are generally taken up by a general consumer, minimalists have time and the knowledge to know that 30 minutes in the gym is going to bring your appearance so much further along than wasting your time shopping and picking out clothes and deciding on your wardrobe, doing your hair. All of these things are they're extra kind of. They're not going to necessarily have the most bang for your buck versus taking care of your health. If you want to look better, take care of your health. If you want to feel better, take care of your health. If you want to be smarter, everything in life comes down to your health. It's silly that most people spend their time and money on these extra things instead of the real foundation of what makes your life good. It's really strange, but minimalism will open your eyes, so to speak, to the important things. As in addition, I've noticed that the more minimalist I've become through the years, the more of an interest in health and having a hobby in health and fitness and dieting and all that becomes actually a fun thing versus something I used to dread. Number 5, focus. With clarity of space comes clarity of mind. And once you remove the visual distractions and things in your life that don't matter, you really get a sense of your thinking and your life pattern, and thoughts really drive your life in the direction you want it to go. Having control over your thoughts and keeping them positive really helps you grow as a person. If you're distracted, your thoughts are distracted. If your thoughts are distracted, your personal growth is distracted. This really can be prevented by removing unwanted and unneeded things in your life. It's kind of like carrying a backpack when you're going hiking with a whole kitchen sink. You don't need it, you just need the essentials. You can also find things on the way to help you, which will make up for these things. If you've gotten it once, you can get it again. What's important is what's in your head, your thoughts, and your thinking. And it's shown throughout history worldwide that owning less actually is associated with a happier person. If you like this video, hit the like button. You don't have to smash it, just like it. You can share it, subscribe, all that business. But what I really would love to hear from you is what is the next videos that you want, the next topics you want me to cover. And until next time, over.